was but now as a contact company. I'll try to reject the agreement form. Select here. Hit coding choice, and I try to control. Okay. Then after I reject auto company, to try check here in here. So reset. Check for the status agreement of the student. Make sure I successfully reject. Okay. This is a form awaiting student review. And I want to check here in the history notification. Okay, look at this. After I reject the notification or the check, I using the template Masha internship from F2 and check the custom notification after I reject for the step 1. It should display here. When step is rejected, it should display notif S1N002. Okay, but when I check in the list of notification, I'm not received anything. Okay, there is no custom notif after I reject the notification using the template Masha internship from P2. For the notif S1N, I received the notification after the submit or waiting for validation, but after I reject as contact company, I'm not received notification. Okay, there is no notif S1N002. Okay, if S1N002 is displayed for the agenda pesawat. Okay, and I try to log in as the student. Try to log in as student and make sure I receive the notification after contact company reject my agreement form. Okay, now I'm receiving notification S1N002, but it's not recorded in the notif history in the history notification. Make sure it is this for mine. Check so connection. Now I want to try login as GRM. Sure again, check the history notification. Okay, look at this. I still not received the notification. This is the notification to Wara Mahesna. This is me after submit and waiting for validation. But after that, then I check here, there is no notif S1N002 or the notif after contact company reject agreement for you.